Okay, so you're going to open up Activity 721, 8-page layout. And we're going to go, so we've done this table on page 3. I'm just going to reset my advanced workspace and I'm going to go to page 6. So on page 6 we want to put a table in here, so I'll press W so I can see my columns, and I'm going to create a text frame here. Okay, and I'm also going to just set my paragraph style to basic paragraph and character to none. And then I'm going to place some text that I've supplied to you in a Word document. So Command or Control D, and it's 721 8-page layout, and there's a document there called School Program. Make sure you show import options, open, and we're going to make sure remove styles and formatting from text and tables is there. Press OK. So it's still come in and it's added some paragraph or character style. So I'm just going to press Command or Control A, make sure that it's on basic paragraph and character on none. Okay, that's better. So now selection tool, I'm just going to zoom in here so you can see this information. If I just, in my layers, if I hide my background so we can see what's happening, you can see that this is called comma delimited information, and it's often supplied in a file format called a CSV, which stands for comma separated values. So each comma represents a column of a table. And so, for example, the top here, school program, will be column 1, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 commas, which means 6 columns after that. For this third row, we've got a column and then some info, a column, info, column, info. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns. So this comma delimited information is quite common. It will often be supplied to a designer from an Excel spreadsheet or from a database. And InDesign can actually convert it into a table. That doesn't always do a perfect job, but it's a good starting point. So this is how you do it. So we're going to take the type tool. We're going to select that information. We're going to go table, convert text to table. It says, what do you want to be the column separator? We're going to choose comma. What do you want to be the row separator? We're going to choose paragraph. And then we're going to choose a no table style and say OK. So now we can see, if I just zoom out a little bit, that it has brought in all that information and it's actually done a pretty good job. So now we can actually help it a little bit with creating merged cells and so on. So I'm going to select the top row here, right click, merge cells. Next row, right click, merge cells. So now the top 3 rows are going to be header rows, so right click, convert to header rows. Then the bottom row, we're going to select, right click, merge cells, right click, convert to footer row. Okay, so this table is now ready for us to start formatting properly, and it was a lot quicker than us having to actually type it up manually. Let me just do one more thing before we go. So type tool, I'm going to select this column, hold down shift and select that column and change the width here. Let's go with 13 millimeters, and then I'm going to select the first column and let's set the width to 36 millimeters. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you next time.